how to use color widgets on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to show you how to use and add color widgets to your iPhone home screen or lock screen. If you want to give your iPhone a fresh customized look, you're in the right place. Now let's get started. Go to your app store and then search for color widgets. And you will see it right here. That one is pretty popular. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you don't have it installed, just hit the install button. I already have it, so I'll go ahead and open it. Now, you don't have to need the pro version to start customizing, but it does unlock some extra features. For today, I'll show you how to use the free version. Go ahead and hit continue. And you can select three or more interests. You can see the popular ones and you can scroll down and go to photos, lock screen widgets. You can even choose quotes and even gradients and various calendars and weather options. And that's it. You can choose anyone that you like. So I'll go ahead and then choose the aesthetic one. I'll tap on it and I'll tap on set widget. So uh, it shows you how you can add widgets to your home screen. Follow the steps that it shows you, and then you can even go to the themes on the bottom right and then choose the theme that you want on iPhone. Go ahead and tap on the theme, and then you can set your theme. You can either choose to set all widgets, set icons. You just have to tap on it. For wallpaper, you just have to hit download. That's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.